This is a demo of some new features in Cockpit related to unmounting and deleting file systems and partitions, etc. So here we have a file system. It is mounted on this mount point, and now if you unmount it, you get a dialog, and to hide the long time that it is to actually do the unmount. So now we can show a spinner, and this prevents you from doing too many things at the same time. Mount it back, and let's go to the terminal and actually make this mount point the current directory of a process. That means it cannot be unmounted now. This message here, Cockpit is checking for the processes, and it finds the one that we have just created in the terminal. And now if we unmount, that process will be stopped. But now it has been extended to normal file system mounts. Finally, if we go back to the terminal, you can see the terminal has been disconnected. Can also do that for most commonly services. Let's just go back here again and go to services. I have made a little service that just sleeps and has this mount point as its current directory. So let's start it, and it's running. And if we now unmount, this will also be listed here, and now the service will be stopped if we unmount this. It's maybe not the best presentation yet, how to distinguish between individual processes and whole services, but I guess we will figure that out. So let's not unmount it now, but let's see what else has changed. So if we now delete this partition, you also get a list of the processes that currently use it. It's a little bit shorter here in the pop-up, but they will be stopped just as they would be during unmount. And you also get a list of actions that will be performed, like unmounting and deleting of this partition. That should give you a better idea of what is going on. If I try to write a partition table on this disk, you get a whole list of stuff that will happen. All the partitions will be deleted. This one needs to be unmounted first, and it is actually currently in use by these processes, so they will be stopped as well. Let's see if that works. Okay, now partition is back to empty. We have been logged out here, and the service has been stopped. I think that's it. Thanks.